What up, YouTube? How's everyone today? The weather is changing a little bit for this week. Obviously, the last few weeks have been super cold, have not been in the garage much at all. But just want to give you guys an update on the two of the baddest SI95s in the area. Probably the baddest Mustangs in the area, period. We got the early model of the SI95 and we got the later model of the SI95. Early is 94 to 98. And 99 to 04 is the later model of the SI95. Give you guys a little peekaboo of the early one. Sick, sick, sick. And then obviously we got mine. This is the wifey's. Super excited, just giving you guys an update. I'm almost finished with underneath here. A few things I got buttoned up, and then we pretty much are finished with underneath. Time to put the shock springs and get everything back together, get the front wheels on, and get everything locked and ready to finally get the work up here on doing the supercharger and doing the full install with the intercooler. The full, not 20 yards on this one, guys. Obvious, I can't wait. We're getting very, very, very close. All new fluids, power steering, coolant, brake fluid, engine oil, all fresh. So this is going to be pretty much a brand new car for the beginning of spring, guys. Stay tuned, guys. Super excited. And like I said, guys, man, the interior of this car is sick, guys. I think by far better than a Fox body. Fox body just looks so out of date. At least with all the stuff I did to this car, it looks compared to 2025, guys. Super nice, super clean interior. Does not get better than this, guys. Super excited about that. But like I said, stay tuned, guys. We have more stuff coming for this car. I just want to give you a quick update real quick so that way you guys can see. And then obviously we're doing a custom subwoofer in the back, custom enclosed. So this is going to be a nice little cruiser for the street and stop at cruise nights and just have a good time, guys. So stay tuned, guys. We have the best SI95 platform on YouTube right now, just doing two of the killer SI95s out there right now. Super excited. So stay tuned, guys. Please like and subscribe. Tell me what you guys are doing over the winter time. And obviously, you know, we got that real carbon fiber hood, guys. Super beautiful, guys. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.